What's going on, folks? This is Wesley Virgin, your master motivator and master virtual trainer here with 7dayfitness.com, and I'm going to show you how to work the inner stomach and the obliques, okay? You know, you want to get that up, right? Exactly. I'm going to show you something simple that you can do one time in the morning and one time in the evening. All right, folks, here we go. Oh, watch me now. What you want to do is put your hand behind your back. We don't want to come up like this. I feel that puts a lot of tension on the back. You want to hold your body right here. You get a good burn, right? Pull back a little bit. And put your legs up in the air. You're going to touch elbow to knee. Out. Elbow to knee. Out. You're going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, hold. Now you're going to work the inner stomach. Too easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. One more. 1, 2. It's just 7. 3, 4, 5. This is going to get you the 6-pack. This is going to get you the good look you're looking for. But see what we're doing? We're isolating the stomach muscles. People don't know about this. They try to do crunches. They're trying to do crazy sit-ups and hurting their back. But this is easy. Relax. Hey, folks, I'm done now. What we did is we did an intense ab workout. One time in the morning, one time in the evening. And it's going to surely give you the 6-pack that you're looking for. The thing is, crunches, you know, holding your feet workouts, that's awesome. But the thing is, it causes a lot of pain on the back. I've experienced that. And I'm getting older, and I don't want the back pain. But it's a simple home workout you can do with the abs. I'm going to show you one more time. Let's get it done. Let's get down here. Come on. Come on, ladies. Come on, gents. Get down. Up a little bit. Hold legs up. Out. This works the obliques right here. You see that? You see the stomach right there? It's working the oblique muscles. Elbow, knee. Out. 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 Burn. Get it done. Burn. 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 7. Inside. See that? You see the muscle right here? Now we're concentrating and focusing on the mid-stomach area. Get it done. Ladies, this works that pooch. This works that little baby fat after you had that child. This will work it out very nicely for you. 6, 7. Well, guess what? I am done. This is Wesley Virgin, and I've just instructed you how to do an awesome ab workout. More workouts at 7dayfitness.com. Get fit with passion.